Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you, does your laptop have a Type-C port and you are wondering it can charge your laptop? Don't assume, because not all Type-C ports support charging. In this video I will show you how to check step by step. Here you can see this is a normal charging port and this is a Type-C port. Okay, now the question is this: can this Type-C port charge the laptop or not? Not every USB-C port support charging. Okay, only USB-C power deliver PD port support charging. Okay, other Type-C port may only support data transfer, display output, something like this. Okay, here you need to check near your Type-C port. If you see lightning symbol or battery icon, then it support charging. This means your laptop will support Type-C charging also. Okay, if there is a no symbol, it may not support charging. So you can also check your laptop specification. First you need to open your Windows settings, Windows laptop settings, go to system, go to about, and note down your laptop model name from here. Okay, and open any web browser, and in the Google here you need to search like this. Okay, if your laptop will support Type-C charging, you can get the answer here. Okay, also you can open the official website of Amazon, Flipkart by searching your laptop model number, and in the specification you can get every detail. Okay, check for USB power delivery charging via Type-C. If it say yes, your laptop will support Type-C charging also. This is the safest method to test it. Use a proper USB-C charger, what I am using. As you can see guys, you need to remember, you need to use 45 watt or 65 watt charger only. Okay, plug into a Type-C port. If the charging icon appear, this mean guys your laptop will support Type-C charging also. Nothing happened to your laptop while connecting to Type-C, so this means guys your laptop can't support your Type-C charging. Okay, from here you can also check this. So if your laptop support the Type-C charging, you need to remember some important thing guys. Don't use low power charger. Okay, don't assume all Type-C port are same. Always check official specification from the official website only. Now you know exactly how to check if your laptop support Type-C charging or not. If this video help you, make sure to subscribe to Smart Tech Junction and like our video, share with your friends. Thank you.